All right, I am here at Blaser with my amazingly great friend, Tiffany Bryson. Tiffany, I want you to share your story because you've got that non-conventional route into manufacturing that I think so many people would love to hear about, because there are a lot of people who think that you have to go through trade school to get into manufacturing, right? So I'd love for people to hear your story. Take us through your story up until Blaser, and then we'll talk about Blaser after that. Fair enough?
Absolutely. Yeah, that's great. So I'm Tiffany Bryson, and I didn't have a career path to manufacturing. I kind of stumbled into it, which was quite awesome because I was able to kind of look behind the workings. So I started off in the non-for-profit, and I essentially was working with small job shops, and then also technical. So, machine shops, machine tool builders, you had tooling, all those ancillaries that are going to help you with technology. So I was there for about 10 years, their national accounts manager, which was really fabulous. From there, I had a customer actually that came to me and said, "You have that technical background." I was a little nervous about that. But quite frankly, I went into enough shops. I had enough support, especially in the city where you have so much support, that, they taught me all about the machine tool world. I sold 5-axis machine tools for growth for 5 years. And then just recently, in the last 2 years, Blaser Swisslube, who I now work for, which is a cutting fluid company, asked me. So I said yes, and here I am. And one of the things that I learned actually when I decided to take this position was how important cutting fluid was, and I didn't even recognize it while I was selling machine tools.
Yeah.
It would have been really great to flip that, so that I would have learned all that and been able to bring that to the table. But, I've just learned a lot through that.
That's awesome. So tell us a little bit more about Blaser itself and what problems does Blaser solve? Because it's not just a coolant company.
Absolutely not. We are actually solution providers. We are here to not only solve problems for you and be that problem solver, but we're also there to be proactive. You don't have these problems, right? We are, different than other cutting fluid companies. We are about advanced manufacturing. We want to make sure that when we come into your shop, we are understanding your machine tools, your material, your water, because obviously cutting fluid is chemistry, and we want to make sure that that is going to be a perfect fit for whatever you're doing. So we're a little bit different in that way. We have a facility actually in Goshen, New York, which is our production facility here in the United States. We are a Swiss company, and we have headquarters in Switzerland. We also have an R&D facility in both of those facilities. So if there's any issues, any problems that you may have, we're here to make sure that we can help you with that. We have the ability.
I love it. I love it. And I think you have somebody that is going to walk us through some of the new products. Could you please introduce that person for me?
Yes, I would love to introduce. This is our managing director for the Americas. This is Carsten. Carsten is going to take you around and really talk to you about brand new things that we have to offer as Blaser Swisslube. And Carsten, I'm going to go ahead and let you take it from here.
That's very nice.
Yeah,
Come on in.
let's do it.
Yes, Jim, there's a lot of exciting stuff that we have to offer, recent developments that we would really love to talk about. Tiffany said, for us, it's all about process and about application, right? So yes, you can look at a nice picture of the aerospace industry, but you should and really need to go deeper than that, right?
Okay.
So if you put your camera down a little bit, you see the landing gear and you see applications, right? Yeah. So we really go and dive deep into materials, into machining processes, strategies, and the like. So we understand coolant as a tool, as a liquid tool to help you achieve your full potential in your machining process. So in this case, for example, we developed Equal Skytech 500 for aluminum machining and structural parts or landing gear parts. Okay. Has been very successful and has already been launched very successfully, and also has the necessary approvals achieved very fast and quickly in order to really become an integral and approved part of our customers' production process.
That's amazing.
Yeah, and that is really true. And it's, sometimes it takes a long time, but when a customer sees the enormous benefits of what it provides, then, things get accelerated and interest becomes, very high. And
Absolutely.
it's really, very cool to see what we can do at customers.
Yeah.
So another example, would be LTEC 200. That's our solution for the semicon industry. L for, electronics, but it's really geared, this specific product is really geared towards the semicon industry and equipment providers that go along with it.
Okay. So Tiffany talked to us about it being chemistry. Talk to us about how you and Blaser can create different chemical coolant based on the chemical needs of the different industries, right?
How much time do we have today? No. Seriously, it's really complex. These all affect each other, right? So you have to find a balance and equilibrium in order to address all the different needs, especially not only from a health and safety standpoint, which is, one of the first and most important things, but also from a machine compatibility.
Yeah.
Because the coolant touches everything in the machining process. It touches the equipment, the material, the tool, and the people. So that being said, you go now and look, okay, what is in the semicon industry? What is really relevant?
Yeah.
Right? What are what we call the value drivers that really outgas it, right? So it's huge cleanliness and purity requirements that we have to fulfill in this case.
Yep.
In the medical industry, of course, washability, right? Especially the parts that go into your body.
Yes.
How easily do the parts clean and you get really everything off in order to be healthy and safe to be processed further. So what I want to tell you is that there's also a solution that we have for the automotive industry, especially for powertrain, but also for the EV market, which is a new product we launched very recently. Huge success in the market. We call Motec 501. So really segment with powertrain, high-end and mass production, repetitive production. So very stable in very challenging industrial automotive environments.
I love it.
So really a cool thing, literally, right? Really a cool thing that we have and launching really this item to us.
Fantastic. Carsten, I really appreciate your time.
So it's great seeing you. Thank you so much. Wonderful.